How to make a smooth slow motion effect in CapCut PC. First, open CapCut and import your video that you want to add a smooth slow motion. Now select the video and select a point where you want to start your slow motion effect. Then split it. Then same for the end part. And then go to the right side of the screen and click on speed. Now to ensure a smooth slow motion effect, you have to decrease the speed duration by holding this pointer like this. Now if you are using latest version of CapCut app, you can find this smooth slow motion option here. Now enable it. And you can see the slow motion has been applied. So the video should be look like this. Now here you can also use these curve options to create different types of slow motion. Simply just click on curves and here you can find different templates. You can use that one. And just adjust the positions of the curves like this. Scroll down and you can find the smooth slow motion options here as well. Click on it. Your smooth slow motion video is done. Let's see the preview. So that's how you can make a smooth slow motion effect in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.